Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of VPS, that's virtual private servers. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more awesome tech content. You don't want to miss out. So, what exactly is VPS? A virtual private server, or VPS, is a virtualized server that acts like a dedicated server within a larger physical server. It provides dedicated resources like RAM, CPU, and storage, ensuring consistent performance and reliability. Think of it this way. Imagine living in a high-rise building. The entire building represents a physical server, and each apartment in it is a VPS. Why would you choose VPS over other hosting options? Well, VPS strikes a balance between shared hosting and dedicated hosting. It offers more control and better performance than shared hosting, and is more cost-effective than a dedicated server. 1GBits provides robust VPS hosting solutions, featuring dedicated resources on both Windows and Linux platforms. Our services use VMware's XI hypervisor and KVM virtualization, ensuring high performance and reliability. Plus, with data centers across 20 global locations, you get excellent connectivity no matter where you are. Some key benefits of VPS hosting include 1. Scalability. Easily upgrade your resources as your website or application grows. 2. Control. Full root access to your server, allowing you to install and configure software as needed. 3. Performance. Dedicated resources ensure your site runs smoothly even during high traffic periods. 4. Security. Better isolation from other users compared to shared hosting, reducing the risk of security breaches. Finding this information helpful? Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We're here to bring you the latest in tech, so stay tuned. Host. VPS is ideal for various applications such as hosting websites and blogs, hosting game servers, managing databases, developing and testing software. A VPS gives you the flexibility and power needed to handle these tasks efficiently. Getting started with VPS on 1GBits is simple. Just head over to the website, choose your preferred VPS plan, and follow the easy setup instructions. Whether you need Windows or Linux, 1GBits has got you covered with top-notch support and enterprise-grade hardware. So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at what VPS is and why it might be the perfect solution for your hosting needs. With its blend of affordability, performance, and control, VPS hosting can take your online presence to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, stay tech savvy.